Hey guys, Brad here from Ocean Protect here in beautiful Logan Reserve, standing in a bioretention system. Now, this bioretention system doesn't have anything in the way of pre-treatment like a gross pollutant trap. And as a result, there is litter throughout the entire system. But look, let's go pick some up, shall we? Macca's! Oh! What the hell is that? Bag of flour? Styrofoam. I've really only tried to clean up a very small portion of this basin. This is what I pulled out in 6 minutes. I reckon it'd take me another good solid hour to clean up, I guess, most of the litter in here. I don't know how big the pile would be after that, but for me it shows two things. Number one, there's a lot of litter coming from our urban environments. That's not good enough. Plastic culprits, single-use plastics, single-use bottles, wrappers, basically everything that falls on our catchment gets washed into our stormwater pits and pipes and into this case, a bioretention system. Now, it'd be a lot easier to stop this pollution at source, whether it's banning the single-use plastics or having some sort of pre-treatment like a gross pollutant trap upstream of the bioretention system. If you want to know more about how to do awesome stormwater management, give us a shout at Ocean Protect.